Okay, we have our head here. We're going to start to glue it together. So I sanded down the inside to get those little burrs and stuff off of there. So we're going to start with this, and we're only going to glue these two pieces together. Then we'll let it set up, and then from that point on we'll add one piece at a time. If you try to add too many pieces, then it's going to slip and slide on you. So it's better just add one at a time. You can use a plastic card, works really well for spreading out your glue. You'll make sure you cover the entire piece with it. But we'll glue this, we'll let it set for about an hour. Then we can add another piece. Let that set, then add another piece. So you're going to make sure you got your alignment where you want it, and then just start putting clamps on it, and just make it snug because it's going to slide till you get a few clamps on it. But once you get a couple of clamps on, then you can tighten them down as you go. You want to make it nice and snug so you get a good bond on it. Make sure you use plenty of clamps. Make sure your alignment's where you want it, and then you can tighten it down, set it aside, and let it set up. Like I say, give it a good hour to set up, then you can add another piece. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comments section and I will get back with you. Thanks for watching.